Welcome back to the channel, guys. I'm your host Buckning, and today we are going to give you an update on the portfolio here because it is Tuesday, and then we're going to talk about the stock picks for the month of February that we want to increase the position in. There is no new stock that we are wanting a position in. I think we have a good base here to start with, and now I'm just looking to increase the position in these stocks that I own until I feel that it's good enough, and then we'll go and explore new stocks in the upcoming months. And so if you're new to the channel, welcome. This is where we put $100 a week into a tax-free savings account to build a dividend portfolio right in front of your eyes. And if you're not new, welcome back. And so we'll just get right into it, guys. Here for the day here, closing balance is $2,535.70. We are down $4.05, down 0.16% on the day here. For the week, we are down actually $46.60, down 1.8%. For the 1 month, we are up $49.52, up 1.99%. And for the 3 months, we are up $281.18, up 12.47%. And for the 1 year, we are up $290.70, up 12.95%, and the same for all. First position that we have today is BCE, which is Bell Canada, closing out at $55.39, up 18 cents for the day. We're up 0.33%. We own 2 shares, total position value of $110.78. Our average price is $58.05, and it holds about 4.54% of the portfolio. Today's return is up 36 cents, up 0.33%. And then our total return since owning the position is actually down $5.32, down 4.58%. So that is Bell. Next position we have is Bank of Montreal, ticker symbol BMO, closing out at $98.05, down 9 cents, down 0.09%. A lot of nines in there. We own 5 shares of that. Total position value is $490.25. Our average price of getting in is $81.32, and it holds 20.1% of the portfolio. Today's return was down 45 cents, down 0.09%. And our total return since owning the position is $83.65, up 20.57%, and that is BMO. Next position is Bank of Nova Scotia, closing out at $69.54, down 40 cents for the day, down 0.57%. We own 7 shares, total position value of $486.78. Our average price of getting in is $54.58, and that is 19.96% of the portfolio. Today's return was down $2.80, but our total return since owning the position is up $104.73, and that is Bank of Nova Scotia. Next stock here is Loblaws, closing out at $64.06. We are up 12 cents on the day, up 0.19%. We own 3 shares of this. Total position value is $192.18. Our average price of getting in is $64.02, and it holds 7.88% of the portfolio. Today's return was up 36 cents, but total return since owning the position is a whopping 11 cents, up 0.06%. And this is one of the stocks actually for the stock pick of February. And the reason I'm doing that is because I want to increase the percentage of my portfolio on this stock up to at least 12% so that we can balance out all the positions I hold in the portfolio. And so this is one of them. But once we get up to 12%, then we'll switch and buy the other position that I want to increase as it comes close to that 13% of the portfolio to balance it out, just so that we have an even spread of positions and not too heavy in one position and not enough in another. And so I'm just looking to balance it out a bit here before we look at any new stocks. And so that is Loblaws for the day. The next one is Manulife Financial Corporation, closing out at $23.87, down 9 cents on the day, down 0.38%. We own 17 shares of Manulife Financial Corporation. Total position value is $405.79. Our average price of getting in is $19.26, and it holds 16.64% of the portfolio. Today's return is down $1.53, and our total return since owning the position is $78.35, up 23.93%. And this is the other stock that I'm talking about. Currently it holds about 16.64% of the portfolio. And so as I increase my position in Loblaws, this percentage will come down as well, because obviously we can only have 100%, and so we have to fill that up. This will come down. If it doesn't touch the 12 or 13% mark, then I will continue to increase Loblaws. But if it comes down, then maybe we'll do a quick switch in the month of February. So this one is on the list as well, to increase the position if it drops below about 12% of the portfolio. And so just so that we understand why I'm picking Manulife and Loblaws, is because in March is when their dividend payment is expected, not confirmed yet, but I want to buy it in February, so I own the position before the ex-dividend date, so that I can so I qualify for the dividend in the month of March. And that is why I picked Royal Bank for the month of January, because we'll get a dividend for February for Royal Bank and the other positions that pay a dividend in the month of February. And so that is Manulife Financial Corporation, ticker symbol MFC. So now you guys know. Royal Bank closing out at $105.99, down 30 cents, down 0.28%. We own 4 shares of this one. Total position value of $423.96. Our average price of getting in is $106.74, and percentage of the portfolio that it holds is 17.38%. Total return today is $1.20, down 0.28%. And total return since owning the position is down $3.01, down 0.7%. And this is one of those stocks that, regardless of the price, I will continue to buy, as this is a value stock, not a growth stock in any means, but it holds lots of value. Okay. And it pays a strong dividend for sure. Next position we own is TELUS Corporation, closing out at $26.96, up 10 cents for the day, up 0.37%. We own 4 shares of TELUS, closing total position value of $107.84. Our average price of getting in is $25.36. This is a position I'd like to increase when the time comes, but as for now, we're going to focus on Loblaws. Total position for the portfolio, it holds about 4.42%. Today's return is up 40 cents, up 0.37%, and total return since owning the position is $6.40, up 6.31%. And last but not least, we have Toronto Dominion Bank, our last position, closing out at $73.78. This one gained a whopping 27 cents, up 0.37%. We own 3 shares of TD, total position value of $221.34. Our average price of entry is $71.94. This one holds about 9.08%. So another position I'd like to increase. I just want to balance out every position to about 12%, 12 or 13% to float around there. And today's return is up 81 cents. And total return since owning the position is $5.51, up 2.55%. And so that is the portfolio update. We have $96.78 in the cash portion. I did add CSCO to the watch list, which is Cisco. Tesla will always be on the watch list, and Apple as something maybe in the future as we increase dividends, because it would take a while. It would take 2 weeks to just purchase one stock, and I hope to purchase a position every single week. And so we'll wait till the dividends increase over time to get in that position for this specific portfolio. So yeah, but so hopefully that makes sense, because currently we have 8 positions in this portfolio. So if we take 100%, divide that by 8, it's about 12%, I think, for each position. So wanting to increase that so there's a balance between it. And so that is the strategy moving forward, until we get that number, and then we can look at purchasing new positions and then increasing positions over time. But once you kind of get that basis for the portfolio itself, you can start increasing your position in existing positions, start building that dividend, and you've built, that base and the foundation. And so that gives you a good idea, a general idea actually, of what I'm doing. Some people might disagree, but this is the strategy I'm going with. And so once we get to that 12%, when the time comes, we'll look at adding new positions just to balance it out, because you can't get it perfect when you're just starting out. But once you have that foundation, you're good to go. And so that is pretty much it for today. I do have to show you the proof that, sorry, that was probably loud. I will show you the proof here that we did invest $100 or sent $100 into the account, and it'll land on Friday so that we can increase our position in Loblaws, because currently, we'll just go back to it just so that we understand. Loblaws, we only have, it only holds 7.88%. I'd like to get that up to 12%. And then we'll get a dividend for the month of March for this one. But I won't forget that our last dividend payment is coming in on the 31st. So we will have a video come out about total dividends for the month of January 2021. So it'll be our first dividend payment amounts for 2021, the first one. So again, I'm not a financial advisor, guys. So if you are trying to seek out professional advice, please go do that. I am, like I said, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm definitely not your financial advisor. And if you need professional advice, go seek it. I'm just a guy on YouTube giving you my opinion and showing you what I'm doing. And so hopefully that makes sense. But hopefully you guys did enjoy the video, and we will see you guys in the next one. Bye.